Hello, it's Crafty Ria, and I am so glad you're joining me today to open this package. This is the May package from Melissa's Patreon. I subscribe to her Patreon, and she sends some really cool shipping supplies and tissue papers. If you've ever received something from me in the mail, chances are it was wrapped in pretty tissue paper, pretty ribbons, and a pretty poly mailer, because that's what I really like to do. It's a lot of fun. Melissa is she also has an eBay store, and she is on YouTube and has videos about packaging things really pretty, and also eBay and things like that. Her channel's a lot of fun, and she is very sweet. So I will link her channel below and you can check it out. She always sends a little extra goodies in the pack, and this is a pop-up greeting card. I think it's a Mother's Day card. Let me open it and see. So there's the front, and it's a flower shop, and then that's the inside, and it says Happy Mother's Day, and that is so pretty. I like that. Very cool. And here we have some poly mailers. I'll just take things out of the bag little by little. These are Blue Sky. Those are really cool, and they're very big. They are about 18 inches by 14. So they are super big. I actually shipped out a huge package today, the date that I'm filming this, and it was in a size, a bag this size. So it's always good to have a few of those. And here are the other poly mailers. This will be great for summer, all of these ice cream cones and popsicles. And these are, I think they're the 10 by 13 size, the regular size I call them. I use those most often. And my favorite food, the donuts. Love that. I love donuts. And I don't eat a lot of donuts, but I do love them. And these are really cool. This is her favorite color. They say thank you on the one side with the stripes, and the other side has the chevrons. And then here are the tissue papers. These are Jilson Roberts tissue papers. They're very large sheets. I think they're 16 by 22. And let's see, they're 30 by 20. So they're very big. Most of the time I cut them in half. And these are unicorns and rainbows. And they do have some gold metallic on them. That is so pretty for summer. I like that. Really cool. And this one is fun. I've had this one before. This is the sprinkles, and it has some silver metallic on there too, and it will go perfect with the donuts. That is awesome. That will be fun to use. And here I see more donuts. I got to take these out. This is donut shop boxes. Oh, how fun. And they're little boxes that you unfold, and you could put goodies inside. That is so much fun. Love it. And then we have a couple of the padded poly mailers in the sky blue. And you know, the sky would go good with the unicorns because you have rainbows and suns on them. That would be great. I love rainbows. We have some ribbon, this pretty gold ribbon. and this green, and this beautiful bright pink ribbon. I love the colors of those ribbons, and they'll go great with the tissue papers. Both of them will go great with those tissue papers. And then there's some white tulle, which would go with anything. So that is pretty awesome. And we have a donut ring. I love it. I love donuts, and of course love the donut ring. And we have some stickers that have donuts, which are awesome. I use stickers usually when I'm putting the tissue paper together on the package to kind of hold it. So I use at least one sticker. And then we have a face mask. And a couple little mini notebooks with ice cream cones that match those poly mailers. This is like sweet treats all the way. And they are cool. I like that. They're great for package toppers. We have, oh, this is fun, a couple of donut pens. Are they pens? Yeah, they're pens. I'll put those on my work desk because those will be fun to use. And a few pieces of candy, some Lifesavers. I always keep a stash of hard candies because sometimes you just need them to, if you have a tickle in your throat or something like that. And this says, kindness is free. Sprinkle that stuff around like confetti. And this goes perfectly with this paper. That is great. And whenever I send a eBay order out, or if someone buys craft supplies from me or different things, I have a sticker that I put on the back of these cards. And I use whatever card. I have quite a few from Mellissa, so whatever card I think it looks best with the packaging, that's what I go ahead and do. And that is a sticker that says, "Do not worry." I love it. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Like I said, I will put Melissa's link in the comments below for her YouTube channel. Go check her out. She's super sweet. She's like a friend to me, and I don't even know her in person. And her husband, Bear, is a riot. And whenever he is on the video, he will tell you stories about different things. I love to hear his stories. He's a great musician, and sometimes she puts some of his music on there as well. Thank you so much for watching. I do appreciate you. And until the next video, you know what to do. Go get crafting. Bye-bye.